Assalamu alaikum. Let's begin the news with the brothel house remark of Afghan NSA Hamdullah Mohib over the Pakistan.
आपने सबसे पहले घबराना नहीं है।
Afghanistan NSA Hamdullah Mohib last month said in a public speech that Pakistan is a brothel house. That brothel house word are not digested by Pakistan now. Now, the Pakistan Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi lashed out at Afghanistan's NSA for allegedly calling the former country a brothel house remark. He said that the remarks made by him in public speech in Nangarhar province nearly a month ago is not acceptable by any cost. Asking NSA Hamdullah Mohib to listen carefully, the Pakistan Foreign Minister threatened him that no Pakistani would shake hand if the former did not desist himself from making such remarks and leveling accusation. Pakistani FM also lashed out on Afghanistan NSA for calling such a derogatory word. Pakistan has conveyed to Afghanistan that it would no longer conduct official business with NSA Hamdullah Mohib due to his outburst against Islamabad. A statement issued by Pakistan Foreign Minister called the NSA allegation baseless and added that such remarks undermine trust and mutual understanding between Islamabad and Kabul. Qureshi said that Pakistani officials from the Prime Minister to the Army Chief to the Foreign Minister they all visited Kabul for peace. Yet NSA had still called Pakistan a brothel house. That is not acceptable. These were the words Pakistan Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi. In the event, President Biden in April announced that all American troops would be withdrawn from Afghanistan by September 11 this year, thus bringing to end the country's longest war, spanning across 2 decades. The US and the Taliban signed a landmark deal in Doha on February 29, 2020 to bring lasting peace in war. The war-torn Afghanistan and allow US troops to return home from America's longest war. Under the US-Taliban Pact, the US has agreed to withdraw all its soldiers from Afghanistan in 14 months. There are currently around 2.5 thousand American troops left in Afghanistan. These are the lowest level of American forces in the war since 2001, since the US-led invasion that ousted the Taliban after the September 11, 2001 attack. America has spent more than 1 trillion US dollar in fighting and rebuilding in Afghanistan, and around 2.5 thousand US soldiers have been killed, along with tens of thousands of Afghanistan troops, Taliban insurgents, and Afghan civilians. The remarks of Mohib's statement express the frustration that Afghan feels that while the US looks everywhere else to Afghanistan, the region and even the UN to seek a solution for Afghanistan, they completely forget what they themselves acknowledge. That Pakistan is the source of their problem. That's why the remarks came from the Afghan NSA Mohibi. However, the US throwing the Afghan again back to the Pakistan, the bone of contention for the whole issue. So this is the main issue and main tussle going on between Pakistan and Afghanistan.